guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Anosha for those who are new here. Don't forget to subscribe because I'm trying out all the things so you don't have to. So today I'm trying out the Breeze Paris Air Styler. This is essentially a curling iron, but it uses air instead of like the hot plates to curl your hair. And for me, this rivals the Dyson Air Wrap, especially because it's way more of an affordable price point. Also, now that I'm wearing my hair straight more often than not, I don't want to damage it by like curling it every single day with a traditional curling iron. So I was actually looking at the Dyson Air Wrap, but when I got an opportunity to try this out, I was like, okay, if this works, this is going to be my go-to. All right, let's get into it. It says to hold your hair mid-shaft and let the styler do the rest. So let's see, let's go for it. Wait, I think I did it wrong. Let me try again. So it comes with two attachments. One is for the air to flow left or the air to flow right. So you can switch it out depending on which direction you want your curl to go. It worked. All right, I'm gonna try my whole head and see how it turns out. You know how your hair feels like really hot after you use a curling iron? My hair doesn't feel really hot, but it's curled. So I feel like because of that, it really isn't putting like a crazy ton of heat on my hair to curl it. I don't know the science, I'm just saying. Obviously, I'm still learning how to use it, but I think it works pretty well. Gave my hair a little bit of curl, a little bit of body. Definitely gave it some life. I feel like if you have thick hair though, it's gonna take you a long time to do your hair with this. You have to take small, especially if you have like denser hair, you have to take like smaller portions for it to wrap around it like more secure, if that makes sense. So I feel like I could have been a little bit more tedious, but for my first time, I feel like it's pretty user-friendly. I've never used anything like this. Like, I never used the Dyson or anything that uses this type of like technology, so I think it was pretty user-friendly for my first time. The only tricky part was switching the barrel to know which direction to go in the back of my head. I feel like the back was like tricky, so I have to figure that out. But overall, I think it's really good. I can't compare it to anything because I haven't used anything like it, but I feel like for the price point, if you're looking for like an air wrap styler, this is like a good option. And I saw on their website they have a 30-day risk-free, so I feel like there's your chance to try it because you can return it without like feeling any type of way about it, and see if it works for you. All right, tag me if you try it and you like it, or if you have any tips and tricks on how to use it better. But overall, I'm impressed. All right guys, let me go get these girls ready for the day. I'll see ya.